Huh?
Whose Coke is this?
Nick's.
It is not Coke. There's not. Get inside.
I can't hear it.
Yeah, I will. Yeah, I'll check it out.
Dad, go away.
What?
Dad, go
What?
away.
What?
You don't have any milk, my friend.
The birthday boy.
Cool and carefree, bursting with flavor.
Well, there's one thing about it. These are prettier over here on the floor than you guys sitting on the couch. I'll tell you that right now. What's going on here? Quick. Y'all better behave. I'll tape this and show it to your parents when they come pick you up.
Yeah.
No comments?
Nope.
Move! I can't have glasses. You know what, Kelly? We got a bunch of wild Indians in there. Y'all hungry? Let me take your coat. Kelly, you want me to hang your coat?
What are they doing in there?
Popping balloons.
Call me Shaq. Does anybody see anything different about that?
Call me Shaq.
Shaq.
Go away, Dad.
Uh-oh. I'm going to show this to you when you're 40 years old. And
Oh, y'all
bribe you.
have
You do that.
14. You want some more? What are you drinking?
What are y'all watching?
What's that big brotherhood something thing?
What?
I'm trying to read what it says.
What movies you bring, Andy?
Darkman and
The one right before that.
I don't know.
I can't read it.
I don't know what that is.
Maybe it's a girl in you.
And Naked Gun.
Hey, Dad, come here.
Carolina Skeleton, something else.
Naked Gun.
What?
Looks like Brotherhood of the Good. I can't spell those.
No.
What? What you do? Please, no.
What'd you think of it?
Here, Adam, take this.
Who wanted a Pepsi?
Another one?
Why not? Dad? Please. Personality and great parents, as whereas you are neat, except for your room. Helpful when cornered. Polite as necessary. Bright, judging by lights left on, and hardworking depending on task. You are hereby designated son of the million because sons like you just don't happen every day, except in the best of families. Thank you. I'd rather had a name of Bulldog.
I know you
Share it
would.
with your friends.
I'd rather not.
You really thought you were going to get an English bulldog? Did you really? Well, I'm sorry, I'll take this back.
No. Why?
Where's the rest of your money?
Upstairs.
What you go put that with it?
Okay.
You ought to have enough to get you an English bulldog.
Really?
Just about. You don't even have $100? I doubt it. Quit filming me and go film the party.
There's a party in here somewhere.
Not again.
There's somewhere.
What is this?
I don't know. It's the stupidest movie I've ever seen. Have you seen that?
I'll kill you.
Little Shop of Horrors?
What are y'all watching?
Feel like you need to be filming me.
Huh? I got his backside here.
Candles, didn't you?
You can tell when you got them if they spark or not.
Are these sparkling?
No.
Okay, ready on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Happy birthday to you.
He's embarrassed
Happy
already.
birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Adam. Happy birthday to you. Blood counts, make a wish.
You didn't yield.
Uh-oh.
What'd you wish for?
Yeah, that's what I figured. You need to drink this.
There's
For the candles.
Don't spit all over that cake. Nobody will eat it.
Nope. Yep.
No.
Where's the garbage can?
I'm hyperventilating.
Nope. Well, maybe.
I'm not again. Oh, better out.
Isn't that a cute cake?
I'm gonna
It's
save
supposed to be
these.
blue and gray. They cheated. I thought about arguing it, but the line was so long.
Break it
that I-
back hard.
You get the ice cream out and dish the
Yeah.
ice cream out, and I'll cut the cake, okay?
No.
Ice cream.
We're gonna take a trip in the freezer here now.
Here I come, now this one.
Ice cream in here somewhere. Cinnamon biscuits. Chocolate chip cookie. Hamburger. Beef patty. Broccoli. Cook. Quadruple. There's
This is me filming my dad. As you know right now, my dad does not want me to film, and he's coming to get me, so I better run. Good Dad, leave me alone. He's an abusive father.
Is it on?
Yeah. And this is my friend Brian. Brian is camera shy. Brian is camera shy. I'm now going to go in here and film everybody else.
You got the power turned on?
Yeah. There's Daniel. That's Andy Moffat, the Burnt King. My mother, Michael Bush, Kelly Dillard, Miranda Ryder, Lacey Dillard, Cancel, Megan Hanna, Tommy Spice Good, and Brian Merritt,
Hey, Adam.
and Daniel Smith.
Adam.
Hmm.
What's her name?
Kelly.
Okay. You said Dillard.
I said Kelly Dillard.
Dillard and Ryder.
You gonna have some ice cream, Daniel?
Yeah.
Bert Moffat.
Huh?
Bert.
It's okay.
You will later.
Matt not gonna get to come.
No, he don't have nobody bring him home.
Well, he could just stay over here tomorrow. He could spend the night till the road's clear.
He said he wasn't able to spend the night. He's got soccer practice. There is Vic.
Whoa.
Vic is a very long tongue.
Who else?
He can stick it up his nose. Isn't that lovely? Well, I better turn this off for my dad.
Brian handed me those
Jack
things.
slaps me upside the head. So,
Jack slaps you. What's that?
that's where you hit me, Dad.
Jack slap?
You're an abusive father. Did you know that?
Go light someplace, boys. You don't understand that. Daniel making a big mess here at the floor.
Well, this is Adam Miller signing off.
Hey, Rick, when you going? Hey, it feel good.
Pardon. This is my friend Andy. He is about the biggest party animal in the world. Ain't that right, Andy?
Yep.
See, the reason Andy is such a party animal is because he was born in a hyperactive family. Ain't that right, Andy? He doesn't look hyper now. Just wait until I turn his camera off. He'll be climbing the walls. Won't you, Andy? Boy, what an exciting guy Andy is. Ain't that right, Andy?
Did you scare him with your pants?
Whenever we walked around the corner, I walked there at the same time. She goes,
Vic? This is Vic. He has stomach problems. How you doing there, Vic?
Alright.
And this is... No, man, not while I got this camera. And here's Brian. He's camera shy. That
He
looks,
likes that chili.
looks good, Brian.
Good chili. Got some more chili?
is that what he said?
And here's my mom. Next. There's my dad. Next.
Can we go outside?
I don't know. Mom, can we go outside and play capture the flag? No, it's... No, it's...
I got my shoe. I got my shoe. Lazy.
Let go.
Oh, wait.
I'll pull.
I got my shoe.
I'll pull.
Where's the other one?
I'll pull if you don't let go.
Me. Don't let anybody have it.
Get out of the floor. Get out. There.
Take my eyes on her.
Ow.
You want to go play capture the flag?
Are you?
Nah.
Go film the children.
They run from me when I...
More chestnut. Oh my gosh. That's the name of their
Where I came from, go down on my skull. My grandma's back, my brother's gone. I never had once felt so
Have you seen this, Mom?
I know you're supposed to be considered with not just my spare tire, but I asked that. Be my guide, what's the truth? Some strange reason it had to be. He got it bigger than a suit. Take me to another place. Take me to another land. Make me forget all my first things. Let me all my first things. Let me understand that I'm just so interested where the ghost of childhood on walk the road. My forefathers from the trees. My forefathers on the national streets. Take me to another land. Make me forget it was there. But I am still thirsty. Lord, allow me to drink some more. He said what I am searching for are the answers to all which are in front of me. Come on, take me to another place. Take me to another land. Make me forget all my first things. Let me understand.
Tracy Dillon, get back over here.
Can we bring all those from
Oh, Kelly, look at his jeans. We'll take the hairdryer to him.
Sorry about that, Brandon.
Don't hit the cameraman.
Did you do it? You did. I
Don't.
Did he get you too? Come on, Shree. No, Vic, please. No, Vic.
freezing.
Alright, play.
I'm not. You guys! Why?
You're not gonna
Duh!
play? You're not gonna play?
Yeah, man. I said it's not cold. Hey!
Oh.
Guys, wait! Stop throwing snowballs. Put them down.
Yeah, Brian.
No, don't.
Oh, poor Kelly. Do something. I can't.
Where you guys going?
Tommy!
Go in my bag and get my red.
Looks like a blue jeans.
Y'all playing Captain Planet?
Right over there.
Yeah, hang on.
By the boy sleeping bag.
I gotta get my toboggan.
What do you need a toboggan for? What's the matter, Daniel?
Your boyfriend has a nice bad ass. No, I think he hit my back. Tommy just threw it. Tommy, I was standing this far away from Tommy, so I'm I got it. You look like you have a big handprint right there. Tommy. Yeah. They just sit here taping our conversation.
That's okay. I won't show it to anybody. Here we have 2 Czechoslovakian jumping beans. What do you boys call this?
Jumping around.
Jumping around. Y'all need to get your dancing partner out there.
These guys can't dance on the
Kathy,
stage, so this is all
jump around with them, man.
Come on, Andrew, jump around. Look at there he goes.
Hey, jump, another jumper. Over here, over here.
I got another jump song in there.
My painters or something.
Oh, no.
Thank you, boys. Thank you, thank you.
Hey, come here. You what?
Stay out there, Brian.
All locked. Dad,
Anybody out there?
a girl time.
I'm wet.
Y'all look like wet dogs in here.
They want some hot cider.
15 pair of wet shoes. The wet head is not dead. Mm-hmm. Do it and die.
Look at my pants.
I made exact replica of the dress Marilyn Monroe wore in Let's Make Love.
Who won the big game of capture the flag?
I can't get it. Come on. That's because they.
The snow.
It's too
Snow
hot for
one.
my lips.
Yep.
Snow one.
Hosted by Till.
Hi, my name's Adam Miller, and I'm here interviewing some of East Tennessee's most wanted. Let's begin. This is Daniel Smith. He's one of East Tennessee's most wanted.
I like to play with fire.
He has burned down 28 houses in the last 2 hours,
Thank you.
and he's still going. Daniel, what is your love for fire? Or should I say, why do you have a love for fire?
I don't know. It's so pretty.
How many houses have you burned down in your life?
Who cares? Fire's pretty. Don't you want some?
Next! Here we have Brian Merritt. Brian is known for his acts of violence for no obvious reason. First, let's go to one of Brian's witnesses. Now, what's your name?
Don't have a name.
And what has this evil man done to you?
Well, first, he cut off my left ear, and I had to have a plastic one put it on.
Here, man, get him back.
And then he cut off all my toes.
Get him back.
Those are fake ones.
Oh. What else has Brian done to you?
He set my hair on fire one night.
What is this, true confessions?
Alright.
Huh?
Well, that's all we need to know from you. Now back to Brian.
Is this true confessions?
Brian, you don't look very active, or very violent, I should say.
Talk directly into the microphone now, Brian.
Let me tell you something right now, mister.
Leave me alone!
You better shut up.
Better not do that.
That's all.
I'll burn
Take
you.
off me.
Here's Vic. He's a, what you would call a klepto. That's somebody who steals something they see just because they want it. Victor. Vic! How long have you been doing that?
Well, I stole my first diaper when I was 3 weeks old.
Guess it's become a hobby, hasn't it?
Yes, it has.
Would you mind taking my tape out of your jacket? That's one of my best ones.
Hey, I don't have your tape.
Fire! Well, what's...
This is Gavin.
Oh, okay, I see you. Just... Don't get...
Oh, it went right in my back. Oh, gosh. I had needles there.
And then we have Brian the Maniac against Vic the Klepto.
Oh, gosh, it's in my back. I swear it is. It went right in my back. Oh. Oh, he hit me right in the balls. I swear
Give
he
it time,
hit
man.
me right in the balls.
With a psycho killer. You can't tell from those innocent eyes that he's a psycho killer. He's killed over 200 million people in mass murders.
Hey, you stole my lighter. So what? Thank you.
Together, these four are the awesome foursome.
With fire.
Get it off, man.
Vic, get away. I don't want my camera stolen. Michael, how you doing?
Fine.
I appreciate that, Vic.
Let me burn it off, man.
How's your life been, Michael? What is that in your mouth?
What is that in your mouth, man?
Who's your best friend?
Me.
You shut up, you kleptomaniac.
I think I want this. Killed him.
This ain't no
He
good.
killed his
Guys, Daniel, stop playing around with that thing.
It's
Put it up.
Let's make a horror movie.
Y'all wanna make a movie?
Yeah.
We can make
Go
a...
kill people.
Yes, yes.
Hey, okay, let Vic sleep. We'll make a movie.
Sleeping.
Come on, let's go. Come on.
Don't mess with me.
Here, shut the door. Shut the door. Shut the door. Go get Andy's Jason mask down there near the oven.
No, go get it.
Instead, you wish, man.
Oxon. Oxon.
My goodness.
Andy, you get to make my mom's bed again, too. What, Vic?
He tried to play a trick on me.
Whoa.
Somebody left a bomb on in there. They did? For about 5 minutes almost.
Did you turn it off?
No. Oh,
You go turn it off, Vic.
Lots of trees are down in that area. You need gasoline, you say?
Yes, we've got a generator, but we're fixing to run out.
Quite a bit of snow.
Every form of energy possible is in need. So if you've got anything, gasoline, diesel, propane, kerosene,
Inside looking out.
regular gasoline, You know, give us a call if you are open and you
About
need that, or if you
18
have an
to
excess.
20
And,
inches,
would like
I'd
to be a
say.
good Samaritan, please give us a call, and we will pass that information along as well. Let's give the phone numbers too. It's 588-6681. That is our Snowbird and Newsline.
Let's see what I found out for you.
All right, we appreciate it.
Okay.
Hi.
Snowbird is home.
I'm glad you're home.
Uh,
Are you froze?
report that's now up to about 1,130.
Oh, yeah.
The
He
number
about
of people
froze
that
last
do grow,
night.
unfortunately. So we're working on it as fast as we
I'm
can.
glad you're home.
100 people over the, over
That's, the
Did y'all have
general
fun?
area which goes as far as up to Severe Hole and down to that Athens.
Okay. All right. Well, I wish you well in getting those back up. But please keep us updated.
I will do it. We're trying to fly in some generators. We loaned some generators down to the
Hey, walk right out there where nobody's been and make a snow angel.
Where?
Right over there. Look. Right over there.
Over here?
Uh-huh.
But what if I get wet?
You won't get wet.
What if my gloves do? What if my hat does?
Whatever.
Jumping jacks. Wet.
You better get back up now. Come on, get up. Come on.
How do I get up?
What's it look like?
It looks like a nothing. Looks like a nobody.
It's not good enough to ride your sled, is it?
Nope.
I told you it wasn't.
I don't care.
Huh?
I don't care. What's this, Daddy?
I think that's where those boys were playing earlier and made a big pile. A snow horse. It's getting colder out here, Nicholas.
Hey, Dad.
Yeah?
What's this? I'm gonna make a snowman.
I think it's too cold to make a snowman. Won't stick.
Whoa.
Won't stick together, will it?
What?
It won't stick together, will it? Huh? It's about up over your knees, isn't it?
Yeah. It's these over there. Watch this. Daddy, look. Oh, dang.
Now look what you done. You made you.
Because road conditions are very, very treacherous. This is a deadly storm, and I'm surprised that they are still working there. They did not follow the lead of many other agencies and many other businesses and close this evening and for the rest of the weekend. You stay with us because we will keep you up the bird line now at 588-6681 or 656-TOMMY. East Tennessee's news and information station, and we are glad to be helping you. Here's Alabama. Running scared, wondering what I'm doing so far from home.
Who's winning?
Me.
Are y'all cold? Y'all ready to go out and sled? Mike's packing the road. He's out on in his truck trying to get the road packed. Nicholas! Nick! Nicholas! Come back in, honey. It's too cold. You need to come in. Don't touch this. Don't touch. You get those wet clothes off. Go hang them in the den. Ooh, it is too cold to be out there. The windshield is -20.
Really?
Yes.
It's -20.
Nicholas, come. Yes. Come over here, Nick. Get these off. Daniel, are you hungry?
No.
You're not. Are you bored?
No, I'm trying to figure out this game.
What game is it?
It's Sim City.
Oh.
We know how to play it there.
I don't.
Everything keeps on.
What are y'all doing? Watching the ball game and playing Sega? Look at this dirty, nasty room. Don't be so shy, Michael.
I think some park shot this help.
Who's your little brother?
I'll raise you too.
What do you think, Nick?
That's what I think.
Do you have any orange juice?
Orange juice. Orange juice, I don't know. You see any in there? I don't know if we do or not, Daniel. Get away, kid, you bother me. Isn't she lovely this morning?
Dad, give me a ball.
There's one that's wore out. There's two. You guys are going to have to clean some house this morning, though, I tell you. As soon as y'all eat, we're gonna clean house. Right? Right. Right? Right. Much. Get in there and get you a cinnamon biscuit, Vic.
Okay.
I think y'all got 2 apiece. There goes a car. Still got plenty of snow. I guess it looks like it snowed about another couple inches last night. Knox County schools will be closed tomorrow. Knox County schools, that just breaks you boys' hearts, don't it?
What was it?
Knox County's closed.
Knox County.
I'm sure Blount County will be too.
What about UT?
I hadn't heard anything about you.
Dad, look. Yo. It goes, the basketball goes, that hurts. Now, will you get me some orange juice?
Mm-hmm.
Orange juice. Well, what are you waiting for?
I like that hairdo, Vic.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
This is the 90s hair.
The 90s look? Yeah.
It's all sticking up.
Kathy has that look too this morning, the 90s look.
It's all sticking up.
Man, oh man.
Let me give you, you're 90 years old.
Mom, I hope you're erasing this.
What hurt?
Mom, I hope you're erasing this. Are you? Hang on him.
You guys get something to drink? You did? You want anything? Danny, you want anything?
Here we are.
You don't like it?
Here we have Andrew with his little
I told him we're going to have
tootsies.
to clean the room after a while.
Will there be another morning? Will there be a morning number 4? Y'all are going to love this when you're 20.
Skippy, the man eating iguana.
9275-281-9275. And people needing propane can contact Rick Powers of the Minute Check Bass Pro Shop on the west end of the Oak Ridge Turnpike. His number is 483-6211. We'll get back to the phone lines in just a minute. But let's check on Tom Buckley. He's out and about. Tom?
Yes?
Where are you?
I'm near downtown Knoxville, Howling, and things are really white out here. It's snowing to beat the band in South Knoxville. Chapman Highway is a paradox. There was one point on Chapman Highway where it actually turned the corner.
Nice getting that too here, too.
The vehicle here driving on two-wheel drive because the road was pretty much clear.
Whoa.
And then I stopped a little hill, and we're on a solid sheet of ice again, so the four-wheel drive went back on. It's snowing right now. It's beginning to cover parts of the roads that have cleared. I know Marty said earlier we're just expecting a few flurries. I hope this is just one of them, but people are out moving around more so than they were yesterday. But it is still treacherous driving. Some of the roads, especially the more heavily traveled roads, are starting to clear a little bit. But
Hold him right there.
What's the weather like in Atlanta?
going in each direction.
You know, I didn't even ask you.
If you get behind somebody that's moving extremely slow, you're just stuck because there is no passing. I saw one fella on Alcoa Highway earlier today try to pass somebody, and he ended up sideways in the median and just stuck. So that's not the smart thing to do. But at any rate, snow right now in the South Knoxville area. Drive carefully and stay in if you don't have to drive at all. If you don't have an emergency, don't get out.
Tom, thanks for that update from the roads and drive like a reporter. It is 10:32. You're listening to Sound Off on News Talk Radio 990 and continuing coverage of Winter Storm 93 on Howard Hill. If you have information that you'd like for us to pass along, call us 656-8255. Back in the phone lines, Judy is out in Judy, how are you?
Well, I didn't know the first one.
You're alive.
I'm alive, but we can't have this snowstorm up there anyway.
Can you imagine what would have happened if the snowstorm had come right in the middle of the day on Friday or on Thursday? We probably would have had a lot more accidents. We would have had a lot more deaths. Luckily, there was killed only 2 casualties, 2 fatalities.
If this had happened like Thursday morning, been trying to get home.
We did a thing showing over Kerosene Peter like that for supper. And we had candles and we got
Yes, and here we have the infamous Jim Howell. He is a girly man, just like his brother. Isn't that right, Andy?
Yep.
And I think here we have
Girly
Jason.
man.
There's my
Michael, I want you to
Masculine
lovely
father.
masculine father there. I'm so proud of him. He's my idol. I'm just gonna wait. Is that Jason? There's
Jason.
Who's not?
and there's the Wimpus right there, my friends.
Jason
Howell.
We can't punch him, but we can hit him in the face with ice.
Yes,
And that's what we're going to do. Come on, guys, let's go. Here we have the Miller family eating a hearty meal.
Leave me alone.
All right, Mr. Nelson, thank you for this update, and we will be in touch with you later. Okay, man. Let us go down. Long time I'm getting out and the vehicles that, just solve where that
And here we have Daniel Smith just getting up from a hearty meal. How was that spaghetti, Daniel?
It was very good.
Here we have the cooker of the spaghetti. Next. Where are you going? Hey.
I'm going in here.
Why? Wait up. This is my friend Andrew.
What's you trying to leave me alone?
Andy, stop it. Andrew's a crazy person. Bye.
Bye.
here is my brother. He is sick. And here's my friend Michael. Where's he go?
Adam, look at my finger.
Yeah, I'm proud of you.
Adam, look at my finger, Adam.
Oh yeah, I have to grab a paper. Wait a second, I didn't get that. Look, do that again. Yeah, I'm taping Andrew going home.
First and foremost,
we don't get the ditch first.
Haven't seen trucks in the neighborhood. A lot of people
Andrew, you got one
they
clothes?
don't know
Did
about
you get everything out of the dryer that was yours? You got your jacket out? Did you get your sweatpants?
See, they can't turn
Let me
on
see if they're in here.
residential power until they get those main substations intact.
I don't know whether you've got anything else in here or not. I think here's your phone. Is this yours? These aren't your red sweats on.
What a good looking guy.
If I find anything else that belongs to you, I'll save it. Andrew, I hope they can get you there. If not, they can just bring you back. Bye.
I'll see you, Andrew.
See you, man.
Bye-bye, sweetie.
He's not coming yet. Where's my shovel?
In the back. What shovel?
The shovel that's laying in here.
Snow shovel?
We didn't do anything
I
with
thought you put it in the back of Mike's truck.
I'll see you, Andrew.
Bye, honey.
Oh, looks like just me and Andy now. Hi, my name's Adam Miller, and this is Candy Kitten. Now we're gonna go upstairs, but we're gonna try to sneak up and see what my mom and dad are doing. So let's be quiet, okay? Shh, Nick, you be really quiet, okay? All right, come on, let's go.
Okay.
Shh, Nick, don't laugh.
What's he grinning for?
Huh? What?
Were you talking to Andrew downstairs?
Andrew?
On the phone? I heard you say, I'll see you, Andrew. Was that on that tape?
Yeah.
Let's go in my room. Come on, follow me. Okay, get out now.
Show me some of your toys.
Look over there and you'll see. Watch out, I need to go to the bathroom.
Hey.
Good boy. Dang, you're green. You can hide yourself in the grass. Isn't he cute?
Nick, go put him back. Peace, guys. Uh-oh. You know what? I'm running low on battery. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tape outside some.
Yeah, outside. Up we go. Look at this, Adam.
I can hear somebody turning up our road. be.
Turning in our driveway. Adam, check this out, man. Adam is stupid.
Goodbye now.